Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we will continue chapter number 6 with the another concept, that is exterior angle of a triangle. Children, what is exterior angle? You understand that it is outside the triangle. Okay, interior is inside the triangle and exterior is outside the triangle. Now let us learn one of the property related to the exterior angle. Children, if we extend any side of the triangle, then we get an exterior angle. An exterior angle must form a linear pair with one of the interior angles of the triangle. Okay, you can see here the triangle here where 1, 2 and 3 are the interior angles. Now, if I extend any of the side of the triangle, children, we get the exterior angle. But one thing you have to be very clear, that the exterior angle should be adjacent to one of its interior angle. Okay, you can see here 4, which is an exterior angle that is adjacent to the interior angle 3. Similarly, 5 here you can see is the exterior angle which is adjacent to the interior angle 3. But children, here number 6, the angle 6 marked here is not an interior angle because angle C is not adjacent to any of the interior angles. Okay, so very clearly you will understand that the one of the angle, that is interior angle, has to be adjacent to the exterior. Then only we can call that particular angle as exterior angle. Okay, so you can see here there are only 2 exterior angle possible at each of the vertices. At one vertex, children, you can have maximum only 2 exterior angle, that is angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 6 is not an exterior angle. Okay, so you can see here very clearly that at one vertex you can have maximum only 2 exterior angles. Now children, let us learn the property related to the exterior angle, that the exterior angle of a triangle will always be equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles of the triangle. For example, here angle D, where angle D is the exterior angle in the triangle here, is equal to the sum of the angle A and B. Here A and B are the interior angles opposite to the exterior angle D. So when we add these 2 angles, children, that will be always equal to the exterior angle. Okay, so this is called the exterior angle property of the triangle. Okay, suppose you have this, children, angle as 120, then here it can be either 60, 60, it can be 100 and 20, any of the thing. But when you add both the sides, children, the opposite angles, that is, will always be equal to the exterior angle. Okay, you cannot have any change in that. Now you can see this thing very clearly. You will understand that this exterior angle is always equal to the interior opposite angles. You can see the angles are marked very clearly. You can understand this concept with the help of this diagram. Okay, so let us go further. Now children, we will use this concept in the next textual exercise and find the exterior angles. Okay, so let us go for the question number 1. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. Children, the diagram given to you there, where x is given to you as your exterior angle and the 2 interior opposite angles marked as 50 degree and 70 degree. We have to find x here. So let us find how. Children, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. That means x will be equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. 50 plus 70 we get 120. So the value of the exterior angle x will be equal to 120 degree. Next one. The second diagram, children, where x is the exterior angle marked and the 2 interior opposite angles marked to us as 65 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so let us give the solution. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, so exterior angle we have taken as x, which is equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree, which are the two interior opposite angles. So 65 plus 45 we get 110. So the exterior angle is of 110 degree. Next question number 3rd. Children, the diagram here where x is the exterior angle and the two interior opposite angles given to us is 30 degree and 40 degree. So let us find here the exterior angle equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Exterior angle we have taken as x, which is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. So together 30 plus 40, children, we get the value of x, that is equal to 70 degree, which is our exterior angle. Question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figure. Children, in the previous question we had found the exterior angle with the help of the interior opposite angles. Now here we will find one of the interior opposite angle with the help of the exterior angle and one interior opposite angle given to you in the diagram. Children, you can see the first question where 115 is marked to you as exterior angle and one interior opposite angle is given to you 50 degree. You are asked to find the second interior opposite angles. So the process will be same, children, same method you have to use for the solution, that is exterior angle equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles, where the exterior angle is given to us as 115 degree, which is equal to x plus 50 degree, which are the two interior opposite angles. Taking 50 on another side, children, we have learned the equations. We have to follow the same method here. Taking plus 50 on the another side, we will get minus 50. So 115 minus 50 degree, we get x, which is equal to 65 degree. This is one of the interior opposite angles given to us. Next question. Children, here in the given figure 125 degree is the exterior angle, whereas x is marked as one of the interior opposite angles. And children, here you will ask, there is no angle marked, but children, you can see the perpendicular mark given to you. That means this is nothing, it is a right angle triangle and this angle will be your 90 degree. Okay, so 125 degree, that is your exterior angle, is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Exterior angle given to us as 125 degree, one of the interior angle marked to us as 90 degree, and x we have to find. So taking in plus 90 on another side, children, we get 125 minus 90 degree. Okay, when we subtract, we will get x as 35 degree. Next question. Children, here in the given figure you can see 75 degree is the exterior angle given to you. We have to find x and one of the interior angle given to us as 35 degree. So let us give the solution. Exterior angle equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Therefore, exterior angle, that is 75 degree, is equal to 35 degree plus x. Now taking 35 degree on another side, the 75 minus 35, we will get x equal to 40 degree. So with this, children, we end this session. Hope you understood. Study well and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.